Hi Stampers, I'm Beth Olsen and I'm excited to be here with you today. If you're new to watching our Watch It Weekly Wednesday videos, make sure that you click subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of our new videos that come out every Wednesday. I'm so excited to show you the product that I've got today. Stampin' Up! Came out with a new all-inclusive kit this year in the catalog, and it was a planner. It's called the Big Plans Planner Kit. And last year we had a planner that I wanted to use, but I procrastinated in getting it. Of course, that's why I need a planner. And I missed out on it. But I'm actually kind of glad I did, because this one has been right up my alley for what I need it for. So this planner offers everything that you need in the kit that it comes with, which is so fun. But I found a couple of extra items that we offer through Stampin' Up! That just enhance or make it better. So let me show you first what it just comes with. It comes with this beautiful planner. It's got kind of a silver foil in those flowers. I don't know if you can see that there, but these little flowers are kind of gold, like glimmery silver. And then it has Calypso Coral is that darker color, and Petal Pink is that new pink color that's on there. It comes with two of these little pockets so that you can put receipts or any other things that you want to store in there. And then it comes with all these cute little sticker sheets that you've got so that you can decorate your planner. It has all these little things for birthdays and shopping and haircuts and food and things to remember and to do. Multiple sheets in different colors that coordinate. And then it has these cute little silver stickers that come with them too, so you can decorate. And I'll show you how I've used those throughout. The number one thing I love about this planner is that you can start wherever you want to. It hasn't been numbered, so you can start right now, or you can wait till later, or you could start at the first of the year if you want to, however you want to do it. I started in June, and so that's what I've got first. Now these sheets are really nice. They're reinforced like with a plastic coating on them, so they won't pull out and break easily. And you've got your layout for your month. I've labeled my days according to the year. And then I've been able to go through and kind of coordinate what I want on my schedule. I get to show anniversaries, birthdays, when we have work things or out of town, kind of things that go over a weekend. I've also put in here when we're going to get a paycheck and when I'm going grocery shopping, so I can kind of coordinate my schedule. I've really liked that. So that's kind of the planner part of the planner. After that, for your month, you've got these open-ended large areas for your days. So I know that you could use these and write your shopping list or your to-do list or different things on there. But what I've decided to do is use it as my journal. I have struggled forever to write in a journal. At the end of the day, when I'm trying to do so many things, it's just an extra thing, and it definitely doesn't get done. So I thought, I'm just going to try this and write a couple little snippets about my day and what we did that day. And so far, it's really fun. Some days I don't have anything, and I feel okay about that. And some days I have a little bit more. I've been using these cute little stickers, do some things with them. My kids actually love to help me with that, so that's been really fun. Here's a day where Jeff and I went hiking in Zion. We went on a crazy backwoods trail, and we did some canyoneering. We rappelled and we wore wetsuits. It was so fun, and I wanted to remember it. So along with my journaling, I can add in a little bit of scrapbooking, and these Stampin' Up! Products are so fun for that. We have our memories and more cards that come. These coordinate along with the planner, and they're super, super cute in the same colors. It just made it really easy to put a little quote in there, print off my pictures, and I have a little spot for it. I loved that. That was a really fun day to remember. So not only did I get to write about it right here, but I also have some pictures to go along with it. I have, again, some pictures from my son's birthday party with his friends. This is a different memories and more card pack that I pulled from, but the colors worked better for his party. But it doesn't look bad not coordinating with the planner, and I have a little bit of scrapbooking there. It's really fun. So the other thing I wanted to show you about this, the reason I didn't write my to-do list or my shopping lists here, because at the end of each month you have these other little note cards or note pages that come with it. So I've written down my dinner menu, a little bit of a shopping list. I also wanted to have some spiritual goals for this year. So I've been choosing a scripture that I've been using every month to focus on in my study and in development that I want to do for myself. So I've written that down, so I've got it right there so I can see it, and I've really enjoyed that. So that's what comes with the planner. You've got all the pages that work for those things. You've got the cute stickers and the little pages that you can put your receipts in and whatnot. And you've got that for the whole year. So you can go through and number all your pages and do your thing. There are a few coordinating products that I thought would be so fun to use. I already showed you the Memories and More cards for the coordinating one that works with this. But I also found this stamp set. It's the Tabs for Everything stamp set. This isn't a brand new set. It came out last year in last year's catalog, but it is perfect for a planner. It has the little shopping cart that I've used here. It has the little happy birthday that I used here for my boys' birthdays. It also has this little heart that I use for anniversaries. It has all these things, FYI, for you, goals, celebrate. It has all these cute little things that coordinate along with it. So I think this stamp set is a perfect addition for this planner. Oh, the planner also comes with this little washi tape. This little washi tape is Calypso Coral, and I used it here to kind of show when I'd be out of town for a long period of time. I thought that would be a good little way to mark my time for that. And I did a little bit more. I didn't do so much journaling, just pictures of what we'd done for our 4th of July. And this little thing marks your spot for where you're at, so you can turn right to where you are. Today, I journaled a little bit about my day yesterday. I had a really productive day. I checked a lot of stuff off my work to-do list and prepped for Lake Powell because we're leaving this weekend. So I thought a cute little thing I could add from my Tabs for Everything stamp set was a little thumbs up. I earned a thumbs up yesterday, and I want to remember that. Quick and easy, and it makes you feel good and personalized. It's something that you've made just for you. I'm really enjoying this. Another great addition of something that you'd want to add on for your planner are the journaling pens that you can buy through Stampin' Up. Your binder that your planner comes in has a little ring right here. It's the perfect fit for it. And I've loved writing with it. It writes really smoothly. It comes with 2 different sizes, so you've got a thinner tip on one and a thicker tip on another. I like the thicker tip. That's what I've been writing with. So that was a really good addition. The colors that coordinate with this kit are Calypso Coral, Gray Granite, Petal Pink, and I used the Memento Tuxedo Black stamp pad. And then the pages that I used are just the variety pack of pages that come for the Memories and More cards. You can purchase those at $6 for a bunch of those. So the other product I just wanted to give a plug for because I am in love with it, our new Simply Chamois. This, I didn't quite know what I would think of it when it was introduced in the catalog this year, but it is quickly becoming my most favorite thing. It's just a little purple chamois. You probably used chamois at home before. You just get it wet with water. We've purchased stamp cases. You can get these in bulk through Stampin' Up, and it just fits perfectly in there, and you can just stamp off your stamps just like that. It does stain this, but it doesn't come back up off your fingers like wet wipes do. You just get it wet, wring it out, and use it again and again, and it's been so fun. That's been a really, really fun new product, so check that out too for your quick creations. So they're just a few little add-ons that can make your planner into more than a planner. You can use it as a journaling item. You can use it just to keep your life more in balance. I hope you enjoyed this product today. I really look forward to using my planner throughout the year and seeing what I can do to customize it and make it my own. If you have any questions or comments about these products, you can ask us below and we'll get back with you. If you want to order any of these products, you can go to stampingjill.com and place an order there. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.